I've been here 19 years, and I wanted to work in a company that we did American products.
I've been here 30 and a half years. They treat you like a part of the family.
Obviously, we've done the work over the years to make this something that helps out a lot of people.
Our real story is that little silver knife is the knife my grandma used to use. Those are the kinds of things that our employees relate to, and there's that sense of pride that goes with it. Sure, we're American-made, but we really do live that. Our goal is not to be the biggest, but it is to be the best at what we do, and we feel that we're there.
We hold ourselves to a pretty high standard.
Everybody's nice here, and it's really a really good place to work.
The Rada family means everything.